Hi traders, Anthony here. We've recently updated our indicators. What I'm going to do in this video is show you how to set up your charts, or at least how I set up my charts, and you're welcome to copy me. Start off with a naked chart. You can go over here, select the dark theme, it's my preference, or you can go the light theme and change the colors. Basically start off with standard chart pretty much. What I tend to do is go into settings, and you can copy any of these settings. So if you want to, you can pause the video and take a snapshot. So these are my settings. Okay, status line. I've taken out the indicator arguments and values here. Scales, appearance. What I've done is I've gone in here and backed these lines right off. I still want to see them, but I don't want them to be dominating the chart. So we take those back. Trading is what I've got, and the events, that's it. And okay, the first thing to do is you go down to invite only. I've actually favorited them, and I'm going to start off with the trend channel and the trend bars. That's it. That's the first thing to do. And then we go over here to this toggle, and I'm going to click symbol and drawings. You can click this on and off, possibly the crosshair if you like that on there as well. And then I'm going to set this up as a 4 chart layout, and that's my selection. Okay, so it'll do that. So firstly we set this up for our time frame. So up here I'm going to go down to, it'll shift anywhere between the 1 and the 5 minute chart. So at the moment I'll just set it up as a 3 minute. Over here I want either a 15 or a 30. Set that at 30, but I'll toggle between the two. In here I want a 4 hour, and then this one over here I want the daily. And of course I'll move between the daily, the weekly on this one, and I'll move between the 1 hour and the 4 hour on this one. So the next thing to do then is click on the bottom left screen and pull in the trend sentiment multi-time frame. That'll give you your higher time frame trends. On the 4 hour, click indicators and bring in the cryptocurrency impulse. That's our crypto strength indicator. And then click on the daily and we'll do the same. We want these on both the 4 hour and the daily. Crypto impulse, and that's it pretty much. Now I've taken out some of these, so you might want to introduce all of the altcoins. Double click that, and you can set that then as, and you want to brighten up these colors as well, and then save as default. If you want to, you can brighten up the colors and change the colors around. So then I'm going to call this one save as, and I've already done it. This is it over here, and I've called this one charts crypto. The other one I have is charts FX. So now to convert to the Forex, if you want to trade, metals, Forex, indices, all of those types of instruments, the only thing you need to do then is delete this one, go over here, delete that, and then you might want to go from your crypto list over to your Forex list. Make sure you have a Forex pair selected on the chart, and then in here we're going to click on the chart bottom right. We're going to bring in the currency impulse. So click that. Click in the middle chart here, indicators, click on the currency impulse. So this is the Forex currency strength indicator. And then over here, bottom left, click on Forex sessions and bring that into the chart. And now you have your Forex layout. When you set up your alerts, you need to make sure that the alerts you set for the crypto are done in the crypto chart layout, and the alerts that you set for the Forex are done in the Forex chart layout. So whenever the alerts fire, you click on the alert, it'll bring you into the correct layout. Watch the next video on how to set up the lists and alerts.